SWIFT group of colleges are the group of colleges which are in the vicinity of Rajpura and has been into the existence since last 2005. We started with the College of Pharmacy and the Health Sciences, that is specifically College of Nursing, and then we add on College of Humanities, Engineering and Management. Main vision of SWIFT group of colleges is to produce a product as per the requirement of the industry. For the industry, and rather we are giving them a ready product to start the job from the very first day of the joining in the industry level or maybe at the service sector, wherever it is. Thank you.